Good morning everyone. I am Mrs. Pratibha Paliwal. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. This video is about
Physics Chapter 1.
matter of class 6. First I will give you a small introduction of the chapter. There are different kinds of matter around us. What you drink and eat is matter. You yourself are a matter. But what is the nature of matter and what exactly is matter? Let's find out more about matter and the nature of matter. To understand more clearly about matter, we will conduct some experiment. Here we will go with the experiment number 1. In this, just you take two beaker and suspend this beaker from the hook of a spring balance and note the weight of the beaker. Now fill the beaker with the sugar and note the weight. You will notice that the spring balance show more weight in compared with empty beaker. Thus we conclude that sugar has weight and hence have a mass. Repeat this activity by using milk or water. We conclude that solids and liquid have weight and have mass. Now we will go to second experiment. In this experiment we will show that gases have mass. In this you will make a simple balance with a ruler and spring as shown in figure. Blow up large and similar balloon to the same size. Tie both the balloons at both the ends. Burst the balloon with the pin. Allow the air to escape and observe what happens. The ruler will tilt towards a balloon that still contains air. This shows that the balloon containing air has more mass than the empty balloon. Thus we conclude that air has mass. Now we will go to next experiment. Now here in this experiment number 3, take a glass stopper and tie with a fine thread. Now place a overflow jar on a wooden block and slowly pour water into it till the water just starts overflowing through a spout. Place a clean and dry beaker under the spout of the overflow jar. Now gently lower the glass stopper into the water in the overflow jar till it gets completely immersed. At the same time, the water overflows through the spout and collects in the beaker. Remove the glass stopper from the overflow jar and pour the water collected in the beaker into the overflow jar. You notice that the overflow jar is filled till the level of its spout. Thus we conclude that this solids and liquid occupy space. The glass stopper occupies space and thus pushes the water out of the overflow jar. The water also occupies space. As the water collected in the beaker fills the overflow jar till the level of its spout. From above investigation, we can conclude that a material which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now matter exists in 3 states that already you have learned in previous classes. Now we are showing some examples also. Solids, bottle, chair, table, books, etc. Liquids, water, milk, juice, etc. Gases, oxygen, nitrogen, steam, they all are gases. Thank you.